Then the disputes involving national importance, where the central government is of the opinion that an individual dispute which exists or is apprehended involves any question of a national importance or is of such a nature that industrial establishments situated in more than one state are likely to be in interest or affected by such dispute, and then the central government has the authority of the dispute to whom to refer, that the dispute should be adjudicated by the national tribunal. When the dispute relates to the national tribunal and it is from the second or the third schedule, then the central government will refer the dispute to the national tribunal or adjudication. It's according to section 10 clause 1a. Means when the dispute involves national importance, that time the appropriate government has the authority to refer the dispute to the whom. Next is that according to section 10 clause 1a, when it's the dispute which is related to the national importance and if it is from the second or the third schedule, then the central government will refer the dispute to the national tribunal for adjudication. Central government may make such a reference at any time. Thus, even if a matter is before a labor court or an industrial court, the central government may make a reference to the national tribunal.